Hey designers, and welcome back. Check it out. I have some friend mail and I'm going to open it with all of you, so stick around. Hey you guys, and welcome back. A huge welcome if you're new here to DeeVine DeeZine. I have a fun video today because mail has arrived at the post office box. Yes, it has. And since the last time that I did an unboxing with you guys, I've actually gotten several pieces of mail from all of you. Life has been crazy, and between that last video where I was showing you guys all the Christmas cards until now, I really haven't had a chance to sit down to show you all the other Christmas cards that came in. But rest assured, or at least I think, if you guys sent me a Christmas card, I did get them, and they all started pouring in kind of all the same time right there the week before Christmas. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, all of you that thought about me and my family for the holidays. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I also did receive this week a nice little note from my anonymous friend. You guys have been seeing that along and along at different times. I have an anonymous friend out there. Not sure who you are, but you know who you are, and just want to let you know that I got that piece of mail this week, and thank you so very much. That is always such a bright spot in our day, and I just pray that you are blessed a million times over for thinking of me and my family. And today, I've got another fun package. Check out this hot pink envelope. Yes, and she has it decorated with that beautiful turquoise diamond wrap that you guys know I love so much. So let's just dig right on in. This package is coming to me today from Melinda. Melinda Kennison, thank you so very much for all your support of the channels, Melinda. You are always watching and leaving comments and love and encouragement and kindness, and I do take notice of that when you guys do that. So thank you so very much. Now let's dig right on in here and see what we got. Oh, I see some goodies. Check out this first little thing. Isn't that envelope so cute? It's got those little snowmen all over it. You guys know I love the snowmen. Yes, I do. Inside's a little note. Oh, Melinda, thank you so much. She is actually sharing her Ipsy with me this time. I noticed that that was an Ipsy envelope, but I didn't know that's what would be in here. Check it out. I love that little makeup pouch, and I love the feel of that. That is very reminiscent of the type of material that we use down here in Florida all the time to go to the beach or to the pool, anywhere we're going to be around water, because it's kind of water repellent. Love it, and love the colors. Hot pink, that lime green, and then the blue. So nice. Ooh, I see some beautiful stuff. First up, we have something from Steve Laurent. I think that's how you say it. Here in the South, we would normally say Laurent, but I think the right way to say it is Laurent. Love this packaging, you guys. Woo, that coppery color. Yes. Oh, my. Look at this lip color, you guys. That is beautiful. And again, it has that beautiful copper lid. Let me, oh, yes. Take a look at that swatch. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to have to fight baby girl for this one, I'm afraid. This is one of her favorite colors, and I just was saying that I needed more neutrals in my collection, so that is going to be so fun to have. Thank you. The color of this one was Cafe. And now look, here is another neutral lip color. This one is a NYX lingerie lip product, and this one is in the color, I believe you say Lip Lie, not exactly sure, but look how beautiful that color is as well. Let's get a swatch of this one. Oh yes, so very gorgeous. So nice, so nice. Now I have a couple of new neutrals that I needed. Next up, we've got this adorable little thing right here from Tarte. Oh my goodness, that has an alligator print on the top. You guys know how much I love that, and check it out. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. Let's see here if I can read the color name. Yes, it is Park Avenue Princess. Such a beautiful bronzer. Cannot wait to try that. And then we got another bronzer here. This is from Nomad. Let's see what it looks like. Check out the cute little packaging. You know I love adorable packaging. And here we go. This one is a dual color. Ah, very pretty. Let's see if we can swatch that out. You can kind of see it. The lights are kind of bright. I'll have to try to get in there and get you guys a better swatch. But this one is called Principessa. Principessa? Not real sure exactly how to say that, but nonetheless, so beautiful. Oh, well, Melinda, thank you so very much. I've never had anything from Steve Laurent. That is new. Never had anything from Nomad before either. So that's two brand new brands that I can get familiar with. Absolutely. I love the Tarte products, and I have used the NYX, and they have excellent products as well. So thank you so very much. All of these are kind of in that neutral family, which is just what I was saying I needed to add to my collection. So look at there. You didn't even know that. That is amazing. Well, thank you so much for sharing this with me this time. You guys know Nessa had sent me an Ipsy bag a few months back, and I loved it so much. And one of these days, I'm going to finally buckle down and be able to get me my own subscription. But right now, we just have too many other pressing things going on. You guys know that. So that just means an awful lot to me, Melinda, that you would share with me this month. So thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Many blessings to you. And thank all of you so much for sitting here with me for a few minutes. Again, thank you to everyone who sent us Christmas cards throughout the holidays. My deepest apologies that I never got a chance to do that second video for the cards that came in after the first one, but I did get them. I did read them all, and I cherish every one of them. So thank you so much. Hope your new year is off to a fantastic start. And I want to remind you, you were created for purpose. So get out there in 2018 and be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.